So if you own a ThinkPad X1, this is the Extreme, you know that it comes with this. This is the original charger. It's actually pretty portable compared to other laptop chargers I've had, but I wanted something smaller and a little more versatile. I didn't want to use this proprietary plug. So what I did research to see which PD chargers can effectively charge this laptop without it slowing it down if you're using it. The problem is a lot of these PD chargers, they say 100 watts, they're not 100 watts. They give error messages on the laptop, or you can't use the laptop while it's charging because you're using it at a rate that's faster than it's actually charging it. So I was able to find this one. This is called the Hyprr PD charger, 100 watt. It's just a normal USB-C PD charger by this company called Hyprr. There's two PD USB-C ports on this, and it does output 100 watts. So my goal was to get one power brick that I can simply connect a USB-C to, like my iPhone charger, to AirPods, to the watch. So I can just carry one brick, charge all my devices with just a few small cables, and I don't have to carry around this and a brick, right? So I can just charge my laptop with the same power brick. So this works just perfectly. It charges the laptop just fine. You can use the X1 Extreme. This is the first generation. You can use it while charging. It powers up just fine, charges it just fine. It does sometimes give you the low charge warning on the bottom right hand side of the laptop. Even with that, and even with this being 100 watt compared to the 135 of the original charger, it works just fine. There's no issues. I'm able to kind of get rid of all these little chargers that I have. I can not have to worry about carrying this. I can just carry this one charger. I have all my cables, USB-C to phone, AirPod. I have one for my watch, and I can just swap them, and I can charge them everything at the same time. The only issue is that if you charge anything else with the laptop connected, it will not output the 100 watts. So if you connect the iPhone and your laptop, it will do 45 watts each, and that will not charge this laptop. But this is great. I can show you guys, just because again, a video like this would have been extremely helpful for me, having to do research to find a aftermarket charger that's not as expensive as the original ThinkPad one. Connected here to any of these ports, you'll see it flash, and then right here you'll see it is charging. And again, it does say slow charger, but no issues. I can charge everything at the same rate that I use it without any issues. I have two of these guys. They're a lot smaller than the original one. For comparison, you can see this is compared here to a iPhone 12 Pro Max. It's great. It's a little hefty. It does not get warm, and it charges a MacBook Pro just fine. A lot of these PD chargers, what will happen is when you connect them and you put the Mac to sleep, it gives you issues like power issues. They'll cycle, they'll turn on and off. But just the Mac doesn't like aftermarket chargers. I haven't had any issues with this one. I'll put a link in the description if you guys are interested. I hope this helps someone, because I went through a few 100 watt PD chargers that were supposed to charge MacBooks and ThinkPads just fine, and they didn't. So this would have helped me. So I hope it helps.